Hello friends, let's get few knowledge about history of Earth. The history of Earth covers approximately 4 billion years, actually near 4,567 million years, from Earth's formation out of the solar nebula to the present. Earth formed as part of the birth of the solar system. What eventually became the solar system initially existed as a large, rotating cloud of dust and gas. The universe appears to have an infinite number of galaxies and solar systems, and our solar system occupies a small section of this vast entirety. The origins of the universe and solar system set the context for conceptualizing the Earth's origin and early history. The mysterious details of events prior to and during the origin of the universe are subject to great scientific debate. The prevailing idea about how the universe was created is called the Big Bang Theory. Although the ideas behind the Big Bang Theory feel almost mystical, they are supported by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Other scientific evidence, grounded in empirical observations, supports the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory proposes the universe was formed from an infinitely dense and hot core of material. The bang in the title suggests there was an explosive, outward expansion of all matter and space that created atoms. Spectroscopy confirms that hydrogen makes up about 74% of all matter in the universe. Since its creation, the universe has been expanding for 13.8 billion years, and recent observations suggest the rate of this expansion is increasing. When an object emits waves, such as light or sound, while moving toward an observer, the wavelengths get compressed. In sound, this results in a shift to a higher pitch. When an object moves away from an observer, the wavelengths are extended, producing a lower-pitched sound. The Doppler effect is used on light emitted from stars and galaxies to determine their speed and direction of travel. Scientists, including Vesto Slipher (1875–1969) and Edwin Hubble (1889–1953), examined galaxies both near and far and found that almost all galaxies outside of our galaxy are moving away from each other, and us. Because the light wavelengths of receding objects are extended, visible light is shifted toward the red end of the spectrum, called a redshift. In addition, Hubble noticed that galaxies that were farther away from Earth also had the greater amount of redshift, and thus, the faster they are traveling away from us. The only way to reconcile this information is to deduce the universe is still expanding. Hubble's observation forms the basis of Big Bang Theory. Another strong indication of the Big Bang is cosmic microwave background radiation. Cosmic radiation was accidentally discovered by Arno Penzias (1933) and Robert Woodrow Wilson (1936) when they were trying to eliminate background noise from a communication satellite. They discovered very faint traces of energy or heat that are omnipresent across the universe. This energy was left behind from the Big Bang, like an echo. Astronomers think the Big Bang created lighter elements, mostly hydrogen, and smaller amounts of elements helium, lithium, and beryllium. Another process must be responsible for creating the other 90 heavier elements. The current model of stellar evolution explains the origins of these heavier elements. Stars start their lives as elements floating in cold, spinning clouds of gas and dust known as nebulas. Gravitational attraction or perhaps a nearby stellar explosion causes the elements to condense and spin into disk shape. In the center of this disk shape, a new star is born under the force of gravity. The spinning whirlpool concentrates material in the center, and the increasing gravitational forces collect even more mass. Eventually, the immensely concentrated mass of material reaches a critical point of such intense heat and PR.